Hey everyone, welcome back. So I was sent another product to do a review on. And again, I usually don't do these, but this will be the second one. I think this one's going to be a really interesting one. Um, let's go open that package and see what it is. Alright, so here's the package. It came in. It was damaged when I got it, but I believe the product is fine. The package is already damaged, so let's just rip it this way. And there we have it. First thing we're going to pull out is they sent me a shirt. You got it. Super clean. Super clean. You might have met your match when you chose me for this project. If I got something for this. Look at that awesome hat. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Super Clean. So we have some Super Clean. It says it's biodegradable detergents. That's cool. So we got a bottle of that. Bottle of all-wheel cleaner. Awesome. It's finally starting to warm up, so it's about freezing, so I might actually be able to do my truck. And we have some Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreasy. It's a spray can. We're going to foam that stuff on there if it foams up. If I got a project for this one. There it is. There's what you met your match with, the Super Clean. You're going to see if your product can do anything with this nasty thing. So, let's see what we can do. We'll spray it on. And that's nasty. I'm even going to give you a little help today. Well, I see it running off. Ooh, that's nasty. Yuck. That is disgusting. Alright, well, it's already working. I mean, literally, seconds. You can see it. Look at that. It's just running off. I don't know if you can see it down here. Look at that. It's just running right off. We're going to give it a few seconds to work. This glass has never come clean. No matter how many times we tried it, it would never come clean. Super Clean, I'm going to give you a little help. Maybe you don't need it. Should we try doing it without your help? See what happens. Look, that glass is already coming clean. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes. I'm telling you, this glass has never come clean. That is nasty. Oh my God. Alright, I think I'm out of this real thick stuff. I'm going to use that green pad just to give you a little help there. So, just to make sure, we'll give it a little more. It's not really a whole lot that I'm putting on. Give it a few more seconds. Alright, let's see. You can already starting to see metal underneath there again. Holy cow. That is bad. Alright, so as you can see, you're already starting to see the clean metal again. It's coming through. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll bring you back when I get done with the door, and then we'll try to get that nasty inside. So far, Super Clean is winning. I'm not giving up. Keep up the good work, Super. Alright, Super Clean. So far, here's what the door looks like. A lot of this that you're seeing here, that is the discoloration. That is not from Super Clean. That won't come off. So, some of this, if I keep going, it'll come off. But Super Clean, you got the door nice and clean so far. I can actually see through the window. That is another story. I can't believe I still use this thing. Ugh, let's get it done. Nasty. Nasty. You know what's going to happen? I'm going to get it all clean. I'm going to show it to Grandma. And she's going to want me to cook. I bet you. If I'm wrong, I'll cook you a burger. If I'm right, you have to bring me a brisket and I'll cook it for you. But your treat. I'm just cooking. So, let's get this in here. Alright. Super Clean. You clean your own bottle? That's nasty. Alright, let's get this going. What I like about this, and this is my first time using Super Clean. I will say the one thing that really caught my interest with Super Clean is they're a local company. They're located in Eagan, Minnesota. I'm not far away. I'm about 30 miles away. And I think that was one of the reasons I chose to go with Super Clean. It's because they're such a local company. This one is so bad, I'm going to really put it on thick. I want this to really get in there. So. Alright, we're going to let that soak in for a few minutes. And then I'm going to get it. Well, Super Clean, you are impressing me so far. Look at that. I haven't even used the green scrubby on it yet, and it's already cleaning it right off. That is just disgusting. I'm almost going to be embarrassed to post this video because of how disgusting this really is. Alright, so I sprayed it, and it's actually been sitting on here for about 5 minutes. I've not used the scrubbies on the inside. I did on the door. I'll admit I used it there. I haven't used it here yet. But you can see how well it's coming off. So I will be spraying it again and again. So anyways, you can see after 5 minutes of it just soaking there, how much it's already taken off. Same thing on the sides. You can see it's coming right off the sides as well. So I'm going to spray it again, let it soak again, and do it some more. Clean. right? Nasty. Yuck. And I ate food coming out of this thing. Now that I got super clean, it will be getting cleaned more often. It was a real pain to clean before. Not no more. So as you see, it's getting there. Still a long ways to go on that side wall, but it's work in progress. Let's go. Look at that. It's not done. I still have a long ways to go, but Super Clean is doing the job. Holy cow. As many times I've cleaned it, it has never come this clean so far. Keep up the good job. Alright. So I used all this. It's gone. It's not that Super Clean's bad. It was that disgusting. So now I started on the aerosol can, and you can see that it's foaming up on there. So I'm going to let that foam up for a while, and then we'll go back to doing it and get some more. Jeez, this thing was nasty. Okay, let's see what we can do with these grates and the drip pan. That drip pan is, I don't know. Super Clean is really impressing me. I wasn't expecting this. So Super Clean recommends wearing gloves. I'm going to tell you, I've already washed my hands twice and it's not coming off. So yeah, I would wear some kind of protective gloves when working with this, especially with something this nasty, to help keep it off your hands. So I'm going to let that soak, scrub it, and I'll bring it back. It looks a lot better. It's not perfect. Can't get some of that stuff off. But I believe Super Clean did one great job cleaning it. So I'm sure if I wanted to spend some more time digging down in there where I can't really get my hands, I could get more of that out. But otherwise, Super Clean did a great job. Now I'm just going to go over it with some soap and water just to get the residue out of there. It's not bad. I mean, there's what it left on the glass. That's still some of the stuff from cleaning. So I'll take some soap and water to it to get all that off. And then I'll fire it up to burn it out of there. Alright. That thing was so disgusting that it took the whole bottle of that, and I used some of that. Final results. Before you sit there and think that it took a lot of cleaner to do this job, remember, go back and look at how disgusting it was. Not all of that would come out, which I'm not worried about. So, throw the grates back in. Grates came out pretty decent. Drip tray. There we go. It's washed out with soap and water after I got done. Now I believe it's ready to go again. It's going to heat it up, burn some of that off if anything's left in there. And it's good to go again. Just got to season it one more time before I cook anything. But Super Clean, one. Lazy Grandpa, I guess your smoker lost that one. Have a good day. Now to give you my thought on Super Clean. Wasn't sure what to expect, but it exceeded my expectations. It got that smoker really clean. It did a lot better of a job than I thought it would. So Super Clean won that one, even though I thought my smoker was going to win. But thanks, Super Clean, for that. I'll definitely be buying your product. I won't be buying that other one anymore. Thanks for the shirt. Thanks for the products. Thanks for the hat. Till next time, take care, everyone.